Hey y'all, I'm back. This is season one. What you call it? Episode 2 of cleaning this chair. Oh, stuff flying around, y'all. But as y'all can see, the front half still look, decent or whatever. So I'm gonna do the back half, and we're gonna get this wire brush like we had before. Same brush. I tried to clean it a little bit, but I wasn't finna go ham because I knew I was gonna start back working on this chair. So let's get it in. Another ASMR episode for y'all. Got some long threads in there. Threads. Go this way with this. Go that way with that so y'all will know the difference. Okay. Mm. Wow. It's getting somewhere. Sure will. One little piece at a time. Let me zoom in a little bit more for y'all. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Not too much shedding. A lot of hair on this edge right here. Just that out. Y'all seen that? Get y'all a little bit closer. Come on in here. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm. Starting to look like a little better now. All right. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Look like a little poodle noodle. Okay. Yeah, child, look at this. All right. That looks like night and day for real. Wow. Yeah. Y'all see it? He's coming along. So, zoom back out so y'all can see the chair. That's what it's looking like so far, y'all. Pretty good, huh? For a chair I found side the road about, 6 years ago, maybe. I don't know. But, and then all the way until I put in it. Getting all the thread out. Now I get some of the fur out, but it seemed to only be getting the fur that was damaged. And look, it's also looking whiter without me even putting any chemicals, no water, no nothing on it. Got a little bit of life, left in it. The structure of the chair is good. The foundation of the chair is real good. So that's why I ain't trying to throw it away. And it's so comfortable, y'all. It's good for my back too because it has a whole back rest thing. So give y'all a closer look and then we're gonna be out of here. Okay, so this is what we got. And then this don't even move. Literally, see? Don't even move. I can't even get it out with my hands. That would be like a struggle. One little piece. Yeah, that ain't coming out with no hand movement, no nothing. But this, ooh. Okay, y'all. This is the end of season 2. No, season 1, episode 2. Love y'all. Talk to y'all later. Peace out, dude.